Hello, welcome to a new video. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to host a static website on AWS S3. S3 is actually an object storage service offered by AWS. As I said, we are going to host a static website on S3 today. Let's go to the task. I'm in my AWS console now. Let's go to S3. I already have a bucket here, but I'm going to create another for the website. The bucket name should be unique. Uh, let's go with website static test S3. Then enabling the ACL and unchecking this box, local public access, and I'm acknowledging the same. And we can create that now. The bucket has been created successfully. Okay, now we need the content for our website. I have already downloaded the contents for the website. You can just Google for website templates and you can get that. I have already downloaded the contents here. I'm going to upload that. Clicking on upload. The upload is in progress. It will take some time. Let us wait. Now we can go to the bucket. Actually, now the bucket is public, but not the objects. We need to make the objects public now. I'm selecting all the objects and clicking on action. Make public using ACL. That's why we enabled ACL. Then make public. Okay, it's done. Let's go back to the bucket again. Now go to the properties. Here, static website hosting, it is disabled. We need to enable that. Clicking on enable. And then the index document, we can give index.html because we are having the index.html file here. Okay, if you have the error document, you can give it here, but I will have one. That's why I'm not giving it. Save the changes. That has been enabled. Now let's check the website. As you can see, the website is loading. It is from the S3, not from any servers. Now we can try to point this to a domain. Let's go to our Route 53. We already have a hosted zone here. Click on the hosted zone. I'm going to create a subdomain for this. Let's keep it as S3 and alias is enabled. Choose endpoint. I'm selecting S3 website endpoint and then selecting the region. I'm pasting the URL. It is showing an error. It is asking for a valid S3 website endpoint, which I already have in my reports. This is the official documentation of AWS. We can open that. Okay, we need to select our region from this. Here it is. We can copy the endpoint. Have copied. Coming back to route 53. Let's paste it here. Okay, let's create the record now. The record has been created. We can try calling the domain now. It is not showing. Okay, there is an error. We can solve this. Not an issue. I'm going to the S3 again. Creating a bucket with the same name. That is okay. And enabling the same permissions for this. I'm checking this box and acknowledging the same. Creating the bucket. We need the contents. We can copy that. Copy and we need the bucket URL. And this will be enough. Let us see that. Yes. Check the bucket. It is having the files. Now we go to the properties to enable the static hosting. Edit, enable, save changes. So it's not okay. We haven't given the index document. It's done now. Let's try calling the domain now. You can see the screen. So you can see it is loading the website. Initially it didn't work because the bucket was not in the name of the domain. For the route 53 to detect the bucket, it requires the same bucket name as the domain name. So we need to create the bucket name same as the domain. Okay. So in this video, I have shown you how to create a bucket and how to upload contents to the bucket. Also, we have posted a static website on AWS S3, and also we have routed a custom domain to the same S3. So that's all about this video. See you next time.